Which California beach is known for its iconic boardwalk with rides and arcade games? Which U.S. beach is famous for its annual sandcastle competition? Which U.S. state is home to the famous Waikiki Beach? Which Caribbean island is famous for Maho Beach, where airplanes fly very low overhead? Which Florida beach is famous for spring break celebrations? Which South Carolina beach features the Skywheel and is called the golf capital of the world? Which Florida beach is the shark tooth capital of the world?